Yeah!
I like pink and I like blue. Pink, pink, pink. Blue, blue, blue. Everything I like is pink. And everything I like is blue. You ruined my pink. Oh no, no. What can I do?
Whoa! Fantastic!
Ding dong, bibbidi-boo. Fixing your color, he was.
Hey!
Aww.
Always be nice to your friends. You don't have to be mean. You can share and play. Sometimes words can hurt and make your friend unhappy.
Wow!
Sharing
Ew.
is caring.
Ew.
Helping a friend feels so great.
Yeah!
You are,
Aha!
my little friend.
Woohoo!
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Isn't this dress beautiful? Nah, I've got nothing to wear. Huh? Ma Cherie, what's happened? Oh, I have no pretty clothes to wear to school. Not a problem.
Hey, Sammy, what's going on here? Where are these clothes coming from?
Ma Cherie, Samuel will help you. Worry not. Try it on, ma belle. It's the latest fashion. Ouch. Magnifique. And this jacket.
Sammy, stop it! These are Barbie's clothes.
Who's Sammy and who's that Barbie?
Is it a monster?
A monster!
Oh, hi! It was you! But what are you doing in Barbie's room?
Sue, leave these clothes alone. We need them.
But Barbie!
Yeah, I don't feel good taking Barbie's stuff.
Don't get upset. We'll make you your own clothes. Come with me.
How did it end up this way? I wanted to help.
Oh, my room! Sammy! Look at these clothes. They're so bright and stylish. I wish I could have such clothes too.
Sue, these outfits are awesome. Thank you so much.
No problem. Let's cut them out now. Wow, these jeans are cute. Do you like them, friends?
Does my hat look like a rabbit's ear, Sue? Sammy, I'm a rabbit too. But my ears are cuter.
That's funny, guys, but these are shorts. Not ears.
Sammy, isn't this accessory cool? I love the color. Seriously? The only good thing here is the color.
Look, friends, if you think these clothes are pretty, like this video.
Sue, do you think I'll become popular now?
Of course. Sammy, come here and show her.
Right here. Look at the graph. It's a detailed plan and we will follow it. It'll make anyone famous. Point 1. We need a dress.
We've got 2, both of them absolutely stunning.
Point 2. Pants.
3 pairs of pants. Check.
And the third point, you gotta be kind. I didn't know how to draw kind, so I drew myself.
Right. Not your clothes, but your kindness is important. Let's change you into your new clothes.
Are you changing right here?
Yeah. Is it a problem?
Yes. Follow me, girls.
Oh.
Ta-da! Welcome to my glamorous changing room.
Thanks. This top looks great with these shorts. But how about adding accessories? For example, this bag. You can wear it to the gym.
Ah! I need a catwalk. Huh? Idea. Shoes off. Perfect.
I love this wig on you. So stylish. Now we need to dress you. I think this top will look great with this skirt. Awesome.
Accessories, ma chérie?
Thanks. We'll use this bright phone as an accessory. You look great. A new hairstyle and new clothes. You can wear this outfit to a theater or a restaurant. I love this blue hair. It suits you and makes you look like a mermaid.
These makeovers inspired me to change my hairstyle. Oh, look. We're ready for the show. Guys, pay attention.
Bravo, bravo, bellissimo.
I love my new clothes, but where shall I keep them?
Don't worry, I have a plan. You're gonna like it.
We can keep all your clothes in this truck. I'm sure they'll fit.
No truck, Sammy. I've got a better idea.
Even better?
We'll need a few pieces of cardboard. They will turn into a nice and spacious wardrobe.
Shiver me, Cheddars. It's boring. It looks like a plain box.
Sammy, our crafts are never boring. You'll see, we'll make it right. Just wait a bit.
Woohoo! I found a beach towel. It means... Ouch!
It's not a towel, it's a wall.
Sue, I just realized that I need this box more. You see, I've collected so many sweets. I want to keep them here.
I'll make another box for you, for all your sweets. But this one is going to be a beautiful wardrobe.
Sue, how could you forget about the doors?
Sammy, I didn't. This is the first door. It can open and close. And that's how we can keep it in place.
Wow, we're using masking tape as door hinges.
That's right, Sammy. Voila! It opens and closes.
Sue, I prepared beautiful wallpaper for the wardrobe.
Wow, Sammy, now it looks much better.
And another piece. Aren't I efficient, huh? I didn't forget about the top part either.
Wow, Sammy, great job. It's gonna be so pretty. Sammy, where's the rest?
Will be delivered in a moment. How could it happen? Sue, we've run out of this paper. There's no more.
Huh? But how will we finish our wardrobe? We can't leave it like this.
Oh, what do we do now? Maybe instead we could draw something on the wardrobe.
A draw? Have I heard correctly? Finally! I'm the person you need. Sit down, please. We'll start with your portrait.
Wow, I'll hang it in my bedroom.
What a profile. Lovely. Let's get down to work.
I like your approach, but I'd better go.
A bit of pink? Huh? No, wait. Please relax. I'll use gummies to color the portrait.
Using gummies for coloring? Is it safe?
Of course, there's nothing to be afraid of.
I can't believe I didn't know about gummy coloring. I must practice using this method. Yay! Only I could do it. Easy. Peasy. Lemon squeezy.
Sammy, I've brought markers to color. Huh? Wow! This wardrobe turned out so beautiful. Such bright colors, wonderful designs. Amazing! Love it!
Oh, you found my surprise? What do you think about the author's idea?
Stunning!
Let's fill it in.
Well, let's start with dresses.
Don't forget about hairstyles. They're parts of outfits.
You're right.
Wow, I can't believe my eyes.
We did our best.
My sunglasses! I've been looking for them everywhere.
Uh-oh, I'm toast.
Huh?
Hi, Barbie.
I've been looking for my stuff all day today.
Ask Sammy.
That's bad. How could I forget to ask for permission? Hey, are you laughing at me?
It's okay, but have you finished the wardrobe?
Yes, Sam will show you around.
Barbie, I'm so sorry. I should have asked.
I'll forgive you if you show me the wardrobe.
Yay!
Then, let's take a closer look at our Wonder Wardrobe.
Mabel, buy one. Win a trip to Paris. The most stylish clothes here.
This bag will match my gym clothes.
I saw it first. It has to be mine.
No, I've been dreaming of this dress.
Wow, I love good drama. Don't worry, ma chérie. We've got more. Uh-oh, I'd better hide.
Sammy, what's going on here? I don't get it.
Sue, good morning.
Do you know who is selling these clothes?
Uh-oh, no idea, Sue.
Everyone loves my clothes. That's amazing. Your dress is so cute. Let's get some boba.
Sammy, look, your plan has succeeded.
Sure, thank you for inviting me. Let's go.
You're right, it has worked. Yay!
If you liked our doll style and her wardrobe, give this video a like.
And subscribe to our channel. See you soon.
Any of the shapes you like, but I'm going to show you how to make our friend square. First, take a ball of air drying clay and use your hands to push it down and flatten it. Then use a lollipop stick and cut into the clay to make the straight edges of your shape. Now take a pencil and very carefully push it into the bottom of the shape. Let it dry, and once it's dry, paint your shape any colour you like. This one is blue because I'm making square. Draw on a smile, stick on 2 googly eyes, and pop your pencil back in. It's ready!
I'm a shape!
Fold a white paper plate in half, and starting at the folded edge, cut out the middle. Stick a strip of black card to the bottom of a black rectangle. Add card and fun foam shapes for the buckle. Stick the hat to the plate with tape. Round the edges of an orange card triangle. And stick this carrot and the mask to the lollipop sticks. And there you have your very own snowman mask. First, take a sock and turn over the open end like this. Very carefully, cut the toe end off the sock. Now add cotton wool balls under your folded edge, then fold the rest of the sock over the donut like this. Now push the rest of the sock through the hole. Add some decoration to your donut and then glue it on. Finally, dip a piece of wool into gloopy glue and stick this onto your donut. Wow, it looks good enough to eat.